G'day, I'm here with the team from myhomeTURF, who are Australia's largest network of turf farmers and suppliers. Today we're here at a new build in Melbourne, and with any new build, landscaping is the last item on the list. So my mates at myhomeTURF are going to show a good fix to make this site usable on a budget and become the envy of the street.
We chose myhomeTURF because there's such a great variety, hard wearing, low maintenance. It's really going to suit our needs. It was a really easy choice at the end of the day.
Nick's made a great choice with Kenda Kikuyu, especially here. So you've got the part shade, part sun. You've got a hard wearing, drought tolerant turf. So it's got a good thatch layer as well. So for the rolling front landscape, that's fine. So it'll bed in well. And then you've got that fine to medium leaf as well. So great choice, Nick.